Morning, are you alright? I do a lot of Lego, some of the big kits, 2,000-3,000 pieces, and I'm a sorter. I like to sort my stuff out before I start to build, empty all the bags and put them in organiser boxes like this. I've got a couple of bigger ones. The kit I'm doing at the moment, the treehouse, is over 3,000 pieces, so I sent off for another organiser box at short notice, and this is the one I sent for. It's a Silverline 13 compartment organiser box, $7.49 for nothing really off Amazon. That's January 2021. So what do you get? A decent size compartment box, 340 by 245 millimeters. Clips, good, happy days. 13 compartments, okay. The bottom two here, they're pre-moulded. No. Me, I prefer a removable container. And then you've also got 6 small ones at the top, 4 double size at the side, and 1 large quadruple size in the middle there. They're okay, but I'd say, and you've got to think, $7.49, it's for nothing really. They do flex a little bit. It's not high grade plastic, but it's £7.49. This is like your Ford Escort, perhaps, to your Ferrari of organiser cases, so you get what you pay for. I wouldn't put anything too heavy in it, nuts and bolts and that sort of thing for your workshop, garage, but for indoors, lightweight stuff, Lego, crafting, haberdashery and that sort of thing, it's fine. Certainly the clips secure really well. A nice functional bit of kit. I like the larger bit in the middle. They are what they are. You can't move them about and change them like you can in some of the boxes, but it's functional. £7.49, so it's a reasonable buy. Silverline 13 compartment box. You know, it's not your Ferrari box, but there you go, and you can't really argue for the price. Long may Lego continue, eh? If you like it, have a look online and see if you fancy one. Right, till the next time, see ya.